Forget everything you know about traditional premium SUV design parameters. The corporate playbook has officially been thrown directly into the incinerator. The mega alliance of Changan, battery titan CATL, and tech giant Huawei has just unleashed their most calculated mechanical weapon yet, the all-new 2027 AVATR 07L. But look closely past the fluid aerodynamic lines. That letter L is not just some cheap marketing badge slapped onto a tailgate. It is a total architectural recalculation. Run the geometry metrics on this chassis. The AVATR 07L stretches its wheelbase to an imposing 2,990 millimeters, drastically expanding the vehicle's physical footprint. But look at how the interior space is prioritized. Instead of cramming in a tight, useless third row, the engineers optimized this massive cabin to create a literal executive lounge in the back. Up front, the high-compute sensor grid stands completely uncompromised. Anchored by a next-generation roof-mounted LiDAR array, the 07L connects directly to the advanced Huawei Qiankun ADS autonomous driving framework. It maps complex spatial environments with absolute zero latency, proving that this luxury cruiser is an incredibly sharp digital weapon. Step back and look at the pure battery electric battlefield, because the AVATR 07L is dropping right into a brutal arena of high-performance giants. Its first direct target? The Powerhouse Zeekr 7X. When you run the mechanical telemetry, these two high-voltage platforms lock into an intense, unrelenting structural duel. The Zeekr 7X fights back with an 800-volt silicon carbide architecture built for blisteringly fast charging speeds. It focuses heavily on traditional interior luxury, deploying massive storage matrices and ultra-ergonomic seating. But the AVATR 07L immediately fires back with a massive tech advantage, using Huawei's superior ecosystem software and an ultra-futuristic cockpit layout that makes rivals look a decade old. Meanwhile, premium contenders like the Nio ES7 try to dominate the segment with their unique 3-minute battery swapping stations. It is an impressive infrastructure trick, but AVATR counterattacks by pairing CATL's high-density Changan battery cells with unmatched autonomous driving intelligence. Now, let's dissect the secondary layer of this war, the extended-range electric vehicle segment. This is where the AVATR 07L must confront the absolute sales king, the Li Auto L6. Both vehicles deploy a 1.5-liter turbocharged engine as an onboard generator, but their design philosophies are completely polarized. The Li Auto L6 features a conservative, boxy, upright family cruiser profile engineered purely for long-distance highway comfort. But look at the chassis dynamics. The AVATR 07L utilizes a sophisticated double wishbone aluminum independent front suspension paired with active continuous damping control. It slices through high-speed evasive maneuvers with total body control, completely leaving the softer Li Auto in the dust. The internal rivalry gets even more intense when you line it up against the Aito M7, which shares the exact same Huawei digital brain. While the Aito sticks to a traditional, uninspired SUV shape, the AVATR 07L weaponizes a low-slung, ultra-premium design language aimed directly at buyers who refuse to sacrifice style for utility. Let's bring this clinical engineering diagnostic to a definitive conclusion. Can the AVATR 07L systematically dismantle these formidable rivals? Analyze the market placement with absolute logic. If you are a buyer who prefers safe, highly conservative, traditional boxy shapes, or if your lifestyle demands a basic, low-maintenance family hauler, then a Li Auto L6 or an Aito M7 will remain your default choice. But if you recognize that modern premium luxury is defined by cutting-edge visual presence, maximum cabin optimization, and absolute autonomous supremacy, the AVATR 07L completely alters the hierarchy. By combining Changan's manufacturing discipline, CATL's extreme thermal battery stability, and Huawei's flawless computational software, this long-wheelbase flagship stands as a beautifully calculated masterpiece of smart engineering. It does not just compete in the segment, it completely redefines what a premium vehicle should be. I'm Ava. Tell me in the comments below, Would you deploy your capital on this Huawei-powered AVATR 07L, or do you trust the established dominance of Zeekr and Li Auto? Make sure to hit that subscribe button right now, turn your notifications on, and I will see you in the next deep dive.